Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will learn about the plants. The chapter number 2 is plants around us. As in chapter number 1, we have studied about the living things in the our first chapter, which was the living and non-living things. You know, the plant is also a living thing which grows on earth and in water. And you know what are the characteristics of the living things? Characteristics of the living things were that which you have studied, that living things can move, living things can breathe, living things take food, and living things can reproduce. So plants are also living because plants can grow, plants can reproduce, plants can move, and not from one place to another but on its own place. Plants can move, plants branches can move, and plants can take their own food. So plants are also living things. So here today we will learn a little more about the parts of the plants. Plants around us. Here you can see in this picture some parts of the plants are shown in the picture. I have made this worksheet for you. I will send it to you as you can see in the picture here. You will label this picture. Can you identify the different parts of the plants in the picture? So here I have given you the word bank also. You can see here are few words in this picture. So you will label this picture. I will also label with you. Let's take a pen. So students, here this is the first part, this one. Tell me which part is this. It's a beautiful flower. You can see I have put a line to show you which part of the plant is this. Here you can see in the picture, in the word bank, I have circled the word flower. Flower is the part of the plant, the very basic part of the plant. Here you will write the flower in this blank. Oh, I cannot write properly, but you will write it properly. Okay. Here you can see this is the flower. What is this? This red color. And what will you write in this blank? Tell me. So, here we will write the fruit. This is a fruit. The red color is the fruit. So, write here fruit. Fruit is also a very important part of a plant, fruit. Now tell me what you can see in this picture here. What is this? These are the roots. Roots always lay under the ground, and I will circle the roots from here and I will write the roots in this box, root. So these are the roots. The next is this. Tell me what is this? Tell me what is this? The green colored leaf. So these are the leaf. Here in the word bank you can see the leaf and you will write the leaf here. I cannot write properly but you can. Okay, the next and the last one, this. What is this? This is the stem. The last one is the stem. Stem is also a very important part of a plant. Stem put the plant firmly on the ground. So students, you will label this picture. I will send you the worksheet of this picture. So we will go next. Now we will read a little more about these plants, parts of the plants. The main parts of the plants are in your course, in your class, in your class 1, you will read few things about these parts of the plants. The first one is leaves. Leaves are usually green in color. You can see in the picture also here. You can see the leaves in the picture. There are the different types of the leaves. You can see here is a little, I will take a pen again. This leaf and this one. The different shapes of the leaves. This is a little longer leaf and this is a little shorter and this is a very curvy and very beautiful designed leaf. So leaves are usually green in color. All the leaves are green. Either it's a light green or the dark green, but the color of the leaves always will be the green. Leaves take in sunlight and air. Leaves are the parts of the plants which take the sunlight from the sun and they can breathe from the leaf. Plant can breathe through the leaves. So all plants need sunlight and air to grow. You know, plants are the living things. They grow, they breathe. So they take air from the, and they also take the sunlight. So leaves are very important part of the plant. The next is the stem. Stem is also very important part. Stem bears the leaves. You can see in the picture, I will take the pen. This is the stem and these leaves are attached to the stem. Our little small branches, you can see this is the stem. I have circled the stem. And these are the leaves, these are the leaves, these are the leaves, these are the leaves. So the stem bear the leaves, flowers and fruits. In your last picture you have seen the flowers and the fruits are also attached with the stem. Now it supports the plant above the ground. It put firmly the plant attached to the ground. Okay, so you can see the stem can be of different colors like green, brown or a little pinkish, this one. The next part of the plant is roots. Roots, I will take the pen again. You can see the roots in the picture. These are the roots. Roots hold the plant in the soil. Roots always, you can see, you cannot see the roots above the ground, but roots all lives only in under the ground in the soil. In this picture you can see when we have put away the soil, we can see the roots. They also take water from the soil and passes it to the stem. So the water which we give the water to the plant, and these roots absorb the water, and these roots work like a pipe. You can see the pipe now, the water pipe. So roots also take the water from the plant, take the water from the roots and give it to all the parts of the plant like branches, leaves and everywhere. So roots are also very important part of the plant. So student, in your this chapter you will read only about the three parts of the plants. Okay, read page number 11 and 12 with understanding. Learn the name of different parts of the plants. This is all about for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.